Hi everyone. So here's a quick breakdown of what happens when a company wrongly capitalizes an operating expense and shows it as capital expenditure instead of a normal expense. So basically, first impact is that PAT looks higher because an expense that should have been, hit the profit and loss statement gets pushed into the balance sheet. So profits artificially go up. The second effect is that CFI goes down. Now, why is that? Because capex is recorded in investing cash flow, so it looks like the company spent more on assets, right? And the third impact is that the CFO goes up. Now, since the expense is not shown in the operating expense, operating cash flow looks stronger than it actually is. So basically, now the real issue shows up in FCFF. FCFF is CFO minus capex. Here, CFO is overstated and capex is overstated. The two effects offsets each other depending on the amount, but overall it distorts the true free cash flow and can easily mislead the investors. So a simple misclassification of OPEX to CAPEX can, inflate the profitability, distort the cash flows, and make the company look a bit healthier than it is. So always check if CAPEX and CFO are moving unnaturally together. That could be a classic red flag. That's it for this one, and see you guys in the next one.